Hi, this is Paul Horn. I am a probate attorney. I'm a probate attorney. I'm also a CPA. So I'm here to talk to you a little about probate. I have a 3-hour probate training class, 3-hour probate training for realtors. And what we do in the 3-hour training is that I take you behind the scene. I show you what is it that a probate attorney do. What are all the forms that he files? What are the process? The form that he filed, the process that he goes through affects you selling the house. Okay? So let's just go through real fast all the forms that I'm going to go through in the probate process in my class. The first thing that a probate attorney does is file the probate petition. The probate petition is going to look exactly as what you see on the screen. It's going to start off with the lawyer's name up here. This is an actual case. The lawyer's name, the court where it's being filed. It's going to have your petitioner's name, right here. It's going to have a court date. So this is page 1 of the probate petition. Page 2 is going to tell you if there's a house involved. If there's a house involved, what's the value of the house, and how much mortgage, how much encumbrance is on the house. Okay. The probate petition on page 4 is really important. On page 4, it's going to tell you the address of the petitioner. Okay. So that's the probate petition. Next. This is the personal representative passport. This is what escrow is going to need from you. Letters allows the petitioner, the personal representative, to sell the house. It allows them to sign the listing agreement with you. It's called letters. Okay, letters. And also escrow is going to need something called order for probate as well. Okay, the judge signs off that says he's opening up this probate. He's appointing your personal representative to be in charge. All right, so that's what the order looks like. Inventory and appraisal. If you have full authority, you don't worry too much about inventory and appraisal. But if you have limited authority, aka court confirmation required, if that's the case, if it's limited authority, you're gonna have to sell within 90% of what the probate referee lists the house for, the value of the house. So this is essentially what an inventory and appraisal form looks like. An inventory and appraisal form happens in every single case. All right, so let's move on to some other important forms. Another important form that you're gonna see in a probate, full authority. In full authority, you're gonna give the probate referee, you're gonna give the probate attorney, the offer. If it's full authority, he gets the offer. He sends out a notice of proposed action. 15 days later, you close escrow. Goodbye, good night, game over for you. You're done. You make your commission. Everybody's happy. Okay, so that's full authority. Now, the next one I want to show you is duties and liabilities. Duties and liabilities of the personal representative. And this form essentially details out and lay out all the duties of the personal representative. For example, one of the duty of the personal representative is to value the property. This is where you come in. This is where you can help the PR determine the value of the house. The next thing, the PR is supposed to file an inventory and appraisal with the value. That's what your help, and also file a change of ownership. Okay, a change of ownership. That's probably in conjunction to Proposition 58, where a parent bought the home for $100,000, goes to a child worth $1 million. Child pay the old property tax. We get into depth into that as well. All right, so that's what that looks like. Now, once we sell the house, the personal representative's got some money. Now they have money to pay the creditors. We give notice to the creditors. All right, so we pay off the creditors. Once the creditor is paid off, so once the house is sold, creditors are paid off, we send a final report to the judge. We say, hey judge, here's the final accounting. Hey judge, we sold the house. Hey judge, these are all the creditors. We paid them off. Hey judge, can you please distribute the money? Can you please now give the money to the heirs? Okay, so that is sort of how the probate process works. We go into great depth, great detail of all these forms, how the probate process works. What does the probate attorney do? Now, once I teach you probate, how do you find probate leads? Where do you go and get probate leads? All right, so something that I offer is this: every single month I send Monday, excuse me, every single Monday, I send out the probate leads for all of Southern California. 5 counties, Orange County, San Diego County, LA County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County. Okay, those 5 counties, all probate in it. And in there, what do I give you? Basically, I give you the name of the lawyer, the address, but more importantly, I give you the name of the petitioner. I tell you executive administrator. I tell you the petitioner address, the address where they live, so you can send them your letters. You can introduce yourself, who you are. More importantly, I give you the property address. I give you the property address. Okay, I tell you the value of the property. I tell you how much is owed on the property. This list has all probate in Southern California of those 5 counties, and basically it goes out on every single Monday, and I only charge $25 for it, only $25. Anyway, more importantly, it's all about learning the probate process, learning what goes on in a probate process. Once you learn it, then you can see, hey, do you want to go after probate or not? And if you do, here's how you can get the probate leads for all of Southern California for only $25 per month. I hope to see you at my seminar. It's a 3-hour seminar where you learn all about probate. Thank you.